It's December 1st. I've decorated my entire house. I'm ready for Christmas. I'm really happy that it's all done because I get to look forward to Christmas and enjoy it for 4 weeks. That's great. I'm gonna start by showing you the Christmas tree, the full inspiration behind that Christmas tree with all the little pieces in it. Then I'll give you a tour of the house, show you bits and pieces for a little bit of Christmas inspiration. All right, let's do it. Most everything is from Amazon, so I bought two packs of feathers like this. I think they come in a pack of 25 or 50. This was the basis of inspiration. I wanted to put a bunch of peacock feathers throughout the tree. And for a pop of color, I got some ostrich feathers. I got 3 beautiful peacocks. They're very long. I would say maybe 12 inches. And they have this little clip that you just clip on the tree. I got 3 of these. But I added pops of gold because I thought it would look really nice with the twinkly lights, as well as giving a little bit more contrast to the feathers. These came in a pack of maybe 50. They weren't expensive at all. You just tie them on the tree. And because the peacocks were a little bit expensive, I thought, let's fill up this tree with a little bit more things, but keep the bird inspiration. So these little birds came in a pack of maybe 8. They weren't that expensive. And I loved that they were delicate and they had muted organic colors to them. So it didn't take away from the peacock inspiration. It just added a little bit more. Same thing for pine cones. A bit of organic decorations, kind of like a woodland feel. I think my favorite ornament is this bird's nest. I think it's so precious. The little eggs, you can also clip it, but I just nested here. It looks gorgeous. The one exception I did was this French horn that I had. I felt like it was very festive, and since it was gold, I think it went really well with everything. But the base of the tree is really the peacock feathers. I put them everywhere in the tree. It's kind of subtle, but when you're up close in real life, it gives a nice texture and it makes the tree look really cozy. And I just stick them and try to let them poke out and be as visible as possible. And what shows up the most is obviously the peacocks. So I put them in the more prominent spots with some gold around it to make them pop, but also the ostrich feathers. I strategically placed them to give a little pop throughout the tree. I could have used green as well, but I thought the blue was nice. So before I show you a wider angle of the tree, I wanted to quickly show you the bottom. I use like a faux fur tree skirt. I love those tree skirts more than the new a collar, I guess that's what it's called. And I also found this on Amazon. I thought it was really nice, and I like the wood. I thought it was really precious. I'll show you a wide angle of the tree so that you get the full effect. I'll also turn off the lights so that you get what it looks like at night. And then I'll show you everything in the house. you a bit of inspiration, and whenever it makes sense, I'll tell you where I got things. A lot of stuff, obviously, I've collected through the years, but I bought a few little bits this year as well. Look at this little nugget sleeping. What you doing, Knox? What you doing? Sleeping in the corner. He's so cute. Dining room and kitchen, I kept things simple. So a few pine cones, Bath and Body Works candle. I got this year at Walmart. It's a stack of coffee mugs and it acts as a home decor as well. I love salt and pepper shakers. I think it's a great way to add a bit of decor and functionality. So Walmart for this, as well as these, how do you call that? To rest a spoon when you cook. I like this one as well. And I got this plate. And classic tea towels. I got those at HomeSense. I want to get a nice runner for my table, keeping in my Christmas tree theme, like green and blue probably. I like this guy, I got him a while ago. A candle worth mentioning is this one from Bath and Body Works. It's called Fresh Balsam. It smells exactly like a Christmas tree. I love it. My favorite smell for this time of year. I kept the mantle super minimal with dollar store foliage. I got this at HomeSense. I got this guy at Amazon. The other one, I think it was a dollar store. Can't remember. Very often, David and I find ourselves having dinner on the couch while watching TV. So I put another salt pepper shaker on this, and I got that one at Walmart as well. This is my favorite. How precious. I love this. This one was from HomeSense a couple years ago, and I think these guys were on Amazon. Guys, we still have the portraits of each other we did on our wedding anniversary. So I put up a couple garlands there. Potpourri. I've had this guy for a while. I got these at the dollar store. They're really nice, but I don't think they have them anymore, or maybe they do. I got them a couple years ago. And I love that around the piano here, we can change the lights. It gives it a little festive mood, you know? Quickly in the bathroom, I found this mat at Walmart this year. Adds a little touch, as well as a couple towels, also at Walmart. And this random Christmas tree that I've put some traditional multicolored lights. Let's go in the bedroom. I think one of my favorite things that I did this year for the bedroom is those two small trees. I got these trees this year at the dollar store. They were maybe $4, and I added some lights. They come in a little burlap bucket like this. And the doves, I had them from a few years back from Amazon. They came in a bundle. So this tree total was probably less than $10. And David added a dimmer. So at night, it gives the most beautiful light, and you can just dim the lights. Let me close the curtains to show you. It's so nice at night when you go to bed. The dollar store is really underrated, I find. You can find a lot of nice things and be creative and not break the bank too much. And also the bed. We've had these sheets for maybe 3 years now. They're flannel. I got them on Amazon. They have tons of flannel Christmas sheets on Amazon. I had to hold back to not get new ones. These are still good. I love them. They have the Hallmark truck. I added this for this year. The rest is pretty much whatever I had. Depending on where you live, like here in Quebec, with tons of snow already, flannel sheets are great when you get in bed at night. It's not frigid and crisp, it's just warm and fluffy. I love them. Flipping you over, yes, we have a full-on Christmas tree in our bedroom. This is a pretty skinny tree. It's a very sentimental tree with ornaments that remind us of family members. So we have special little ornaments. I have this tractor for my grandpa, skates for David's dad, who was a hockey player, and David's nephews are hockey players. And what else do we have? We have a grand piano for David. And there's a mic. There's this ornament for our wedding year. So a few nice little bits, and I kept it white. Everything white with pops of red. These don't have any specific meaning, but I like the snow inside the clear globe. We have 3 of these, like this one. I also like this guy. There's no meaning for this guy. I thought it was too cute. And I really like these cotton balls. I got this on Amazon. It gives a nice little flair to this tree. I'll close the blinds again to show you this little scene. I got this bit on Amazon a few years ago. And the little houses, I got them in a local shop. And this is the bed for the babies, the dogs. And I made it Christmassy. All right, one more room to go. My studio, my office / studio. So when you go in, I got the string lights, really huge lights. They're meant to go outdoors or indoors. And I kept everything candy cane in here. So, and also very simple. So I play guitar in here, record some songs, I edit videos. These 3 cushions I got at Home Depot this year, and they're pretty big and very festive. This makes me happy. This couch, all cream with Lakey posing in front. You are the cutest girl. You're so cute. I love you, baby girl. Yeah, and I have the stocking just for decoration. And I dressed up my mics. Oh, and this, I have to show you this. It's the cutest thing in the world. Wait. Oh my god, are you so pretty? Oh, there you go. Are you mama's prettiest boy? You are mama's prettiest boy. How cute is it? Will mama remove them? Oh, you're too cute. Okay, there you go. She always wants to be part of the fun, right? But she's not gonna want them on her head. Sit. Oh, girlfriend. She a rebel. You are so cute, girlfriend. I hope it gave you a bit of inspiration. I hope it made you in the Christmas spirit a little bit. I'm full Christmas mode right now. Really happy and ready to just look forward to the 25th and enjoy it and watch a whole bunch of Hallmark movies on the weekend and drink all the hot chocolate in the world. Oh, I'm looking out the window. Let me show you. This is what I'm seeing. There's so much snow already. We got a whole bunch of snow at the end of November and it hasn't melted yet, so makes it really easy to get in the Christmas mood. Anyways, I'll see you very soon for another one, and happy holidays!